Hey guys, welcome to Pen Dentistry. Hope you all are doing good. I am Dr. Aishwarya with you for easy learning and better understanding. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos. Without further delay, let's get started.
The topic is IDA. What is IDA? Indian Dental Association. Before it was known as Indian Dental Association. Now it is known as Indian Dental Association. The register number of IDA is S by 265 and the registration of IDA was done in the year 1947 during the time of Dental Association. Structures are as follows. It has a registered office in India because it is an Indian Dental Association in which the Honorary General Secretary reside, where the Honorary General Secretary are present. Branches of IDA are all over India. Okay. There are present local branch as well as the state branch. In local branch, all district headquarters or it is present in at district headquarters or it is present other places of the district. Okay. In state, it is located at the state and local branches are present in the state as their units. Okay. In one town, there should be one branch present. There should be not more than one branch in one town. Okay. Branch in one town, not more than that. Indian Dental Association is the members are dentist registered members. Okay. So first one is honorary. High scientific literary attainment or person who have rendered service to association. Honorary is person who has given maximum time to the association are the honorary. They are high scientific. They are mainly with a very good high post. Life members are dental practitioner. They are simply the dental practitioner. Annual members are they are paid annual members. They pay annually for the subscription of the Indian Dental Association. Direct members are they are eligible for the membership but not practice in the local branch. They are not practicing in the local branch. They directly attach to the state or central branch. They directly attach to the state or central branch. Student memberships are these peoples are UG students. Simply. Affiliated non-residential foreign dental practitioners, non-residential, the practitioners who are not living in India, they are foreign dentists. They practice there having dental qualification. Okay. And they directly attach to the head office. They directly attach to the head office of the dental association. So IDA. Why we are studying about the IDA? Now we will go for the functions and know what they do for us, for their self. Publishing and circulating a journals adopted to need the dental profession in India. They publish the journals, they circulate the journals according to the need of the general practitioner in India. Holding meetings, they hold the meetings, conference of the members of association of dental profession. Publishing papers, they publish the papers time to time of research as well as the research are going on. They time to time publish the papers. They encourage the encouraging the opening of the library. Conducting educational campaign in oral hygiene, they conduct the educational campaigns in in the manner of the oral hygiene. Encourage the research in dental and alliances which are provided by the IDA are all members should get a journal and other publications of association which is free of cost. Okay, you are going to get the free of cost publication and journals. All members have the right to attend discussions. They have a right to attend discussions in all journal meetings, lectures, conference by IDA, which are organized by the IDA. The members should use library and association room if present. If there is a presence of association room or library, they can use that. Should enjoy other privileges which may be given by the center. They enjoy the other privileges which are given. They can enjoy the other privileges which are given to the Central Council by IDA. Thank you for watching Pen Dentistry. To know more about me, links are in description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest videos.